this lesson, let's talk about how to draw Fibonacci accurately. Now, on your TradingView, you'd go on the left-hand side, and then you will pick the third icon, click the little arrow, and then you can see at the top, there's Fib retracement. You're going to click this tool, and then you're just going to draw anywhere. Again, the first bubble highlights where you've drawn it from. The second bubble highlights where you've drawn it to. And you can see my toolbar is at the top. If I click away, that toolbar disappears. If I click anywhere on the Fibonacci itself, the bubbles appear and the Fibonacci toolbar appears as well. Now, look at what I've got written here. You draw Fibonacci forwards. So you can see that I drew from here to here. I'm drawing forwards. You can see the direction in which I'm going. I'm not drawing backwards. I'm drawing forwards. You should always draw Fibonacci forwards. In this example, from top to bottom, if I was to draw again, I could draw from bottom, again, moving forward to top, not backwards, moving forward. So always draw forwards. The next thing, you're drawing from the tips of the swing highs and swing lows. For example, if I wanted to draw Fibonacci from this swing high to this swing low, I'll get my Fibonacci tool out, use the crosshair to draw from the swing high, which is right up here. And I'm drawing to the swing low. Look, notice I'm drawing forward as well. And I'm drawing it to the swing low. The third point there is give Fibonacci space to move. So give it a little bit of space to move. That's it. You don't want to draw so close like this, because what's going to happen is price is going to move through your Fibonacci. So give it a little bit of space to breathe. Click it again, that drops it. Click away, and then that's how you have your Fibonacci drawn from your point A, which is at your upmost swing high, to your point B, which is at your upmost swing low. And then you can see that you've got target areas wherever you decide to have your target area. So you're always drawing your Fibonacci forward. You draw from the upmost swing highs to the swing lows, and then you give your Fibonacci space to breathe, vice versa. If I wanted to draw this the opposite way around, I would click on this, highlight the Fibonacci tool on the left-hand side. This time I'll draw from the swing low all the way to the swing high, which is up here. Give it a bit of space to breathe, and there you go. And so if my expectation is for the price to now turn from here, this is how I would draw my Fibonacci. Again, I've drawn forward. You can see now my target is all the way at the bottom, whereas the previous example was at the top. And then you just repeat the process and vice versa. And that, guys, is how you would draw Fibonacci correctly.